Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, power sun moonroof, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.